Okay, one of the add-ons that I want to share with you is the icons for docs. And what that is it gives you, if you look up here for add-ons, you can open the sidebar here and it gives you all of the neat different icons, great icons for all sorts of things. I do a lot of templates for things, and in a world of emojis and things like that, I feel like this would really speak to the kids and my students and make things a little bit more user friendly. There are some pretty cool icons here that you can see I've added. You can add words. You can copy and paste them places. You can cut and move them around. You can space things out. They are super easy to resize and make larger, move around. I really like adding text to things as well, kind of personalizes your template a little bit. And I feel like this is a way to just kind of enrich or church up your documents a little bit. So this is one that I really like, and I'm definitely going to use a lot of it. There are some things that I haven't even gotten totally into in terms of the different settings that you can do. So I am pretty excited as a science teacher to use all of these icons.